Hello everyone, this is Kritika. In this lecture, I will like to share how to prepare computer networks for GATE CSC exam. Computer networks is very vast subject. It carries about 10 to 12 marks weightage in the GATE CSC exam. 10 to 12% is very huge weightage, so we can't ignore this subject. Okay, so let me start how to prepare the computer networks for the GATE CSC exam. Computer networks has almost carry about this is the marks distribution in the previous year GATE of the computer networks. In 2024, it came about 9 marks. In 2024 to 25, it came about 9 marks. In 2023, it came about 8 marks. In 2022, 10 marks. 2021, 9 marks. And 2021 to 22, this is 7 marks. So maximum it goes to the 10 marks and minimum it carries about 8 marks. Average is about 9 marks. Okay. So, what are the main is concept of layering, website TCP, protocol stack, basics of packet, virtual circuit switching. So, this is the syllabus of the computer networks. Now, let me discuss the computer network syllabus. Computer network syllabus consists of these topics. First is application layer protocols. There are about 12 questions from application layer protocols, about 2 questions from bit stuffing. From bridges, it contains 3 questions. CRC polynomial 4 marks and CSMACD about 5 marks. Communication 4 marks. Congestion control 7 marks. Distance vector routing it contains about 8 marks. Error detection 10 marks. Ethernet 7 marks. IP addressing 10 marks. IP packet 11 marks. LAN technology 7 marks. MAC protocol 5 marks. Network flow 4 marks. Network layering 6 marks. Network protocols, which is 10 marks, huge weightage. Network switching, 4 marks. Routing, 13 marks. Routing is very important. It is about 13 marks. Sliding window protocol, 15 marks. It is very important. You can't miss it. Sockets, 4 marks. Stop and wait protocol, about 6 marks. Subnetting 20 marks, which is huge. You can't ignore the subnetting. TCP IP, that is 21. Then token bucket about 2 questions. And then UDP 4. Okay. So this is the subject wise weightage of the all the topics in the computer networks. These are the topics which are present in the computer networks. Okay. So now what are the YouTube lectures you can follow for the computer networks? The YouTube lectures that you can follow for the computer network is Computer Network for GATE, Computer Network by Ankit Doila sir for GATE, CN for GATE CS and IT by Ankit Doila sir. Okay, so you can follow these lectures for the computer networks. Okay, Just what you have to do, just click down these links which I have provided. You will reach to the window. You will see this crash course. Computer network for gate, computer networks. There are about, this is the lectures, this is the crash course by the Ankit Doila sir. You can follow this crash course. There are about 42 videos. You can complete these lectures within about 1 week or 10 days. Maximum 10 days. Within 10 days, you can cover these lectures. These are very beautifully explained by the Ankit Oela sir. Okay, so this way you can prepare from the crash course. Okay, next is Computer Network CN for the complete playlist by Amit Khurana sir. Okay, but I personally follow this playlist by the Ankit Doila sir. This is very beautiful playlist. You can also follow this playlist. Okay, but if you want to follow this, you can follow this playlist. Okay, but I suggest you to follow this above playlist. Okay. Next is revision and PYQ video solutions. How to do the revision and PYQ video solution. For this, I have provided this playlist. In this playlist, you will find the GATE exam computer network last 30-year PYQs. See here, all the PYQs are sold chapter wise. Gate 30-year PYQs IPv4 addressing, IPv4 addressing part 2, IPv4 addressing part 3. All the PYQs are chapter wise: flow control, header and fragmentation PYQs, then medium access control PYQs, then all the medium access control PYQs are solved. In this way, there are about 20 lectures. You can solve these in about 1 week. 1 week is sufficient for this. You can see all these, get your PYQs. But firstly, you should do the crash course and later on you should go with the PYQs. Okay. So this is the revision and PYQ video solutions. Okay. Next is revision and PYQ video solution. One alternative is, one was I had given you by the Ankit Doila sir, and other is this by the Sachin Mittal sir, Go Classes. Just click on this link. You will reach, you will see this kind of playlist. Okay. Here all the PYQs are sold. So you just have to, all these PYQs are sold here. Data link layer, flow control, data link layer, flow control 2, data link layer, error control, IP addressing, subnetting, 15 question on stop and wait, PYQs, go back and selective repeat, efficiency, throughput, sliding window PYQs. Okay. So this way you can follow this playlist, Computer Network Gate PYQs revision playlist by the Go classes. Okay. So you can follow this playlist also. Okay. So this is revision and PYQ video solution. I Sachin Mittal sir, Go classes. Okay. Next is NPTEL lectures. If you want to follow the NPTEL lectures, then if you have completed the crash course, if you have completed the PYQs, then you will go, then you have enough sufficient time, then you can also go with the NPTEL lectures. These I have provided the NPTEL lecture link here. Okay, just click the link and you will find the lectures. Okay, so NPTEL lectures. In this way, I have provided the link. You can check it out. Okay. Next is standard textbooks. Standard textbooks that I have provided is data communication and networking by the Forojan. I have listed out the chapters which are important so you can go with these chapters. Okay. So 1.1 data communication and networking by the Forojan. Okay. So this is the standard textbook of the computer networks. You can follow this text. Okay. Next is topic wise PYQs. How to follow the topic wise PYQs. See, for the topic wise PYQs, you can follow the GitHub Gate Overflow PDFs. Okay. These Gate Overflow PDFs, just simply click down this. You will reach to this page. Simply click the volume 2. This volume 2 will be downloaded and then simply click this link volume 2. You will see the PDF. Here all the computer networks, see here. Here the computer networks is given. There are about 205 questions from the computer networks. Everything is given: application layer, protocol 12 question, bit stuffing 2 question, bridges 3 questions, CRC polynomial 4 questions, CSMA by CD 5 questions, communication 4 questions, congestion control 7 questions. In this way, everything is listed. Distance vector routing 8 questions, error control 10 questions, Ethernet 7, IP addressing 10. Okay, let you want to practice the questions on the distance vector routing. Okay, just click the distance vector routing, click it. You will reach and you will see here the questions of distance vector routing. Okay, just click the just solve, try to solve this question. Try for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, try to solve it for 4 5 minutes. Consider a network like this. Try to solve this question 4 to 5 minutes. If you feel able to solve it within 4 to 5 minutes, that's okay. But if you are not able to solve this in 4 to 5 minutes, then click this link, click on the new tab, open it, go to the gate overflow. Be open like this. Okay, here you will see that there is question and there are comments and there is answer of this question. Just quickly try what is given here. Try to read this solution and solve it. Okay, what is given here, just go down through this. Okay, see what are the other approaches given by the students. Okay, and see how they are solving this question. Don't just go with the one answer and say that it is completed. No, you should go with the different approaches, see how other students are solving this question. Okay, so in this way you have to solve these questions. Okay, next is now go to the second question. Again, do the same procedure with this question. If you completed the distance vector routing all questions, then go to the error detection. Next topic. Topic by topic, you have to cover all the previous year questions. Okay. Error detection, like error detection may given a question. Then if you want to see the solution, just click down and you will reach to the page. Just simply check out the solution. I will advise you to solve by yourself about 4 to 5 minutes. If you are not able to solve, then you will see the solution here. Okay? To detect the D errors, we require a minimum Hamming distance of D plus 1. Okay, so this solution is given. You can go through it. Okay? In this way, you have to see how this gate overflow PDF will be useful to you. Okay. So this way you have to solve all the computer networks question. Then came topic by topic IP addressing and then fragmentation. This is DNS question which I have gates SC DNS questions. Okay. This is CIDR question. So go through do all the questions, solve all the questions regularly, about 10 to 20 questions. Okay, this way this gate overflow PDFs will be useful to you. Okay, so this was about the topic wise PYQs, how you have to solve the topic wise PYQs. Next is my lecture notes and my study material which I had followed during my own preparation. So this drive link I have provided you the lecture notes and my own study material which I have prepared in my own preparation. So simply click this drive. You will see that this type of folder is open. In this folder I have given all the links. Here you will find the application layer. Application layer, simply click it. You will find the computer network, all the slides, DPP, everything you will get out here. This is the question that HTTP non-persistent and persistent connection, these concepts, TCP three-way handshaking, types of HTTP connections, non-persistent mode, persistent mode. So these all slides are here. These are very good for the practicing and practicing last time and revision. Okay, this way Chapter 2, this problem is from chapter 2, problem number 8, rows and rows, 8 RTTs. Suppose within your web browser you click a link to obtain a web page. The IP address for the associated URL is most cached in your local host, so a DNS lookup is necessary. This is problem number 7, rows and rows. Okay, so this is GATE 2023 question, which is very difficult for all the aspirants. So this question is also solved here. Persistent and pipeline, non-persistent pipeline processor. This way you can solve, you can check it out, okay? Next is error control. Similarly, for the error control, I have listed down CRC and Hamming control. These lectures are given here, error control. So you can check it out how to utilize these resources. Flow control, IPv4 addressing, IPv4 addressing and fragmentation, medium access control. This is practice course slides, application layer protocols with annotations. See here, everything is given. IPv4 addressing, all the questions, fragmentation, all the practice questions are given here. So this I have collected in one file for you and can use it for the practice purpose. Okay. Similarly, flow control, practice questions, flow control, practice questions, all are given here. Throughput. Okay, this way you can utilize these PDFs very beautifully. At the time of revision, they are very helpful. Okay, so utilize them for your preparation. This way, there are about 24 to 25 slides. You can use them. Okay. Next is so this was about previous practice course slides. Okay, this way I have next is super 1500 lectures which I have followed. I have given the slides, videos is here. Lecture 2 I have given. Okay. So this way I have collected all the resources in one folder and prepare it for you. Okay, this way there is TCP and UDP. These all lectures of TCP and UDP are here. You can utilize them. Okay. This is computer network nodes. This is computer network full notes which you want. I have shared it here. Okay, just check them. These are very useful. You can take the print of these notes and utilize them for your preparation. Okay, just simply download these notes and you will not have to listen the lectures, and this way you can prepare the computer networks. There are about 312 pages. These are very long notes of the computer networks, so you can see these notes. These are very beautifully designed by me. I have, okay, so use these notes for your own as a resources. And these are the lectures of the TCP and UDP. Just click down and see the wraparound time, phases of TCP connection, TCP state transition diagram, TCP transition diagram part 2. This way all the TCP UDP lectures are here. Okay. I have tried to put all the resources at one place so that you prepare easily. Next is CN short notes. CN short notes, just simply click start CN short notes. These are about congestion control. Everything is mentioned here. These are 12 pages notes. All the remembering things, small things are mentioned here at the time of examination. These are very useful. Okay, so this way short notes are also present here. Okay, so this way I have prepared the my own resources here in the Google Drive, and I will share link with you. These I have prepared for you so that you do it very easily. Computer network, all the resources are placed at the one place. When we get all the resources at one place, then it become easy to prepare for that subject. Otherwise, to find the resources, it take a lot of time. Okay, so simply take these resources and utilize them for the preparation. Okay, so this was all the resources. Next is attempt the free mock test. See, you have done the crash course. Firstly, you have to do the crash course, which I have shared here. Firstly, you have to do the YouTube lectures or the crash course. Then you have to, secondly, you have to do the PYQ video solutions. Okay, after doing the PYQ video solutions, then you have to follow all the PYQ video solutions from these playlists by this playlist and this playlist. You have to complete this playlist. Then, if you have time, go with the NPTEL lectures, but this is not required. Okay, then Standard textbooks are not required. Then go with the topic wise PYQs. Try to solve the topic wise PYQs. Solve all the topic wise PYQs. Okay. Then these resources you can use for the revision and practices. Do all the practice questions and PYQs from this lecture slides. Okay. This way you prepare the computer networks. And then at the last, in the month of November and December, when your syllabus is completed, everything is completed, then you have to give the topic wise test. Simply click the test and give the topic wise and subject wise test. ठीक है. So this way I have arranged everything. Some more tips is practice everyday questions for gate PYQs. And next is time management. Time management is very important in the examination. Okay. So this way I have collected and organized all the resources of the computer networks at one place. You can utilize it. Take a lot of hard work for collecting all these resources. I have used them all the resources in my own preparation. It will also be helpful for your preparation. So if you study so utilize these resources for your preparation. I will be very glad to know that you are getting some beautiful rank by using these resources. Okay. So if you study everyday computer network just 2 hours daily and 10 to 20 questions daily and consistently, then you will definitely score 10 out of 10 marks in the computer networks. Hope this session and resources help you out in scoring 10 out of 10 marks in the GATE exam. So like, share and subscribe for more such videos. If you want, if you are preparing for GATE exam, I can help you out for your preparation. Just simply send, this is my email ID. If you want to talk with me, you can send the email. I will definitely reply you. Or just send the message in the comment. This way, if you will like, share, and subscribe, this will give me motivation for more such videos, and I will try to make some more videos to help you out. Thank you. Thank you.